Welcome back to Bites MD. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fusion sandwich, velvety texture on the eggs. Some shallot and garlics that I'm just going to mince. Cut the shrimp along its spine. There it is. Its intestine. You want to grab a toothpick and just remove the entire thing. If you don't, it's going to be bitter. Make sure you beat the egg real good. If you ever drop an eggshell in here, you can use that to pick it up. It's a lot easier than digging through with your fingers. Make sure it's truly mixed like this. See how it's all one consistency, one color. And never add salt until the last minute. We'll add olive oil. We'll add a touch of salt, pepper. Turn down the heat because you don't want to burn them. Especially garlic has a pretty bitter taste if you burn it. It's starting to caramelize. I'm going to put my shrimp in there. I'm going to cook the shrimp about 75% through. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. In the same pan, I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil. I have here our snow pea leaves. These are probably one of my favorite types of greens. Very high in flavor, very rich in flavor. I'm going to add the shrimp. Give the eggs one last whisk. Just pour it in there. I'm going to turn off the heat now. And then we're just going to stir in one direction. We have our homemade sourdough bread, nice and toasted.